beautiful people, easier one and all. Lady J, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Mangbonga people, no, today's topic now, bat one woman will just cry, come out, my people. I'll put the video, mona see wetin some men they do, mona see wetin some men they do to their own wife, like seriously, my people. So this man, a woman cry come out say a 9 months pikin, 9 months boy, baby boy 9 months for that matter. A husband dey kelewa a piyon pikin from back. Now the wife come cash am. My people, 9 months. You see all those big men, they always they talk and say, they know they use one waka. Many of them, they'll go, they shook their hand for baba thing, and they go tell them, say, see what they go, they do, they renew their money. Now this man go do so, my people. If you see the video, you go shocktalize, like seriously. I shock, oh, I say, some people, they this life, oh. People did this life. I go put the video more and watch. In fact, I don't want to talk. I just want more use on eye to see what this woman they talk. My people, I shock. Oh, the woman now say her own life now they at risk because the man now and the friends when they do this thing together, they want make her shut her mouth up because she talk the thing come out on social media now. They look for her and make them make her. Then make the woman now come cry, come out in case if anything happen to this woman, una go know say na your husband no na they under everything. My people, now I will put the video now. Mona watch. Mona see with una own eye. Wetin some men they do. Wetin some men they do. Your own pikin. Now you want to go kelewa. Now wow, not to where Musa no go see forget. Musa does see. Sote Musa tire. My people. Una see wetin all those big men they do. Our guests when I want marry poor man, if they look for big man, mona dey careful. Oh. Many of them not they use one take the waka that they shoot their hand for different things. So now they happen so. Mona wise. See this woman now she dey on the run. She dey fear now. Her husband they want go Johodo his own son, his own pikin will be 9 months. His wife cash am. Oh, my people. So Mona dey careful. So Mona watch the video. Then anything we wanna think, Mona leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Am I live? This is Victor Inalu's Chukutem's wife. I went to the station this morning to get security to accompany me to the hospital to get my son's test report. And she was like she was going to come with me. That's the woman in charge of my case. And I said, no, I need a van. I need policemen with a van to accompany me to the station. So she said, oh, it's 10,000 naira. Okay? I gave her 10,000 naira for it. All I wanted was security to the clinic to come and get the result. And she wasted my time deliberately. And brought me with a car with strange faces alongside. 2 boys sitting by my side, herself in front, a guy driving. I was like, they asked my uncle that went there with me, they asked my uncle to come down. Why? And the men that are not on uniform. If those people are capable, my uncle is even more capable than, there is even more well-built, like body-built than they are. They brought me here. The woman said, the police woman said she wanted to go inside. She went inside, discussed with the doctor, I don't know. The doctor brought out the result. I said I wanted to read the result. She was holding the result back. Why are you holding the result back? I brought you here for security purpose, not to come and help me pick up my son's medical report. After so much argument for almost 30 minutes, she allowed me go through the results. Then I said, go and make a photocopy of it. They were following me up and down like my husband sent them to come and take something from me. They are just after the result because they know that this is what I need to nail my husband. How can people be so heartless? Knowing that a man molested a child of 9 months, 2 weeks, his father to be precise, and you are all on the issue. What are you trying to gain? Please, my life is at risk. I asked her to leave the report with the man. That then do whatever I want to do with it. But the woman was just following me up and down. Please, a policewoman, was it Human Rights Israel, Harrison, Victor Chukwuteminalu, they are all on my neck. They are all on my case. My life is at risk. I made a live video this early morning telling them everything I went through. There are boys after me. How can a policewoman I brought to come and secure me just for me to pick my result? He's now fighting with me. Say later she now change. He said, "Do you know this report is part of my case?" I said, "I will give you photocopy, but this report is mine. I paid for it. You were not even there when I came for this report. So what are you saying?" She now handed me over to one woman that said she's wanting very close to the counter where they collect card. The woman was just creating a scene unnecessarily. I said, "Madam, please hold on. I will come and meet you. Why are you shouting quarreling unnecessarily? I don't even know her name, but that is her office over there. This is her office. That's her office there." She said she needs to register the report down. She needs to. I think she was just making a hell of noise. Please, this whole thing is getting to my head. My husband is after my life. The police is after my life. They are doing everything humanly possible to shut me up. I am at General Hospital Ekpan. Please, 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 please. I need army to come and pick me up from this place. Pick up my results so that I can go home. I need army security to come pick me up from this place, pick my source results so that I can go home. Because the police, they're after my life. I'm doing this live video so that you people will know what I'm going through. I told them that I was not leaving this hospital. She insisted. She was pressurizing me left, right, center. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I said, job is done. I gave you 10,000 naira to bring me in a police van, which you requested for, and you brought me in a stranger's car. Those men, they have been there sitting down in that office waiting for me to come. But my God is stronger than them. My son is the one fighting against his father. The blood of the innocent. If your blood is fighting against you, you know what that means. I need urgent attention, security attention to leave this general hospital because I know that they want to take the report from me. I'm going to snap this report and send it across to Facebook. I am going to do that right now. So that you know what I'm talking about. Please, 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 please. I need security. I'm just at the very spot where they take a card in general hospital. I need the world to come and rescue me. Please, I'm pleading. My life is at risk. My husband is after my life. His gay partners, they're after my life. Politicians, they're after my life. Politicians who are his boyfriend, because he is the woman, they're after my life. Please come and save me from this place. Come and save me from this place. I don't want to call names of politicians. If not, I know them. Come and save me from this place.